In a village named Sundarpur, there lived a woman named Asha with her husband Vishwanath.
Teaching song Friday tini o story na lemon bising teaching English song lena. Oroshaka kaisa Sundarpur nei kaisa kami aro hik sai korone tong. Bhigne mungge Asha te binim basane mungge Vishwanath.
They had two sons, one named Raju and the other Suhas.
Borok ni shazla songba khorok nei tong mane. Khorok sa nimbu mungge Raju te khorok sa nimbu mungge Suhas.
Raju and Suhas were both very smart in their studies.
Raju by Suhas borok khonok ni no porithani shungthani balakhino elam ganan.
Seeing this, Asha would always tell her husband Vishwanath, "Our children are so bright. We will educate them well and help them stand on their own feet."
Abononugui Vishwanath ni bhigasha sob somoy no saw bosai no. Phadi chinchirayokto belai elam bogana. जों borok no porithani lokthani subalayane. Borok sak sak bongni yakung bai bosai manate.
Yes, Asha, I wish the same.
Yes, Asha, I wish the same. Mane bosaka, in Asha, amamtina musungu.
We will work very hard for our children.
Of course, yes.
जों sini serok ni bagai belai ke kosto ma khlainai. Bosai saka, of course, yes. Amtino ta.
Both Asha and Vishwanath worked as laborers. They earned money by working hard all day.
Asha bai Vishwanath hiksai khorok nei no borok belai kosto khai sal brum brum no samung tang chajanai borok te o samung tang ma bai no borok rang puisarok aji jau.
One day, Suhas asked,
Mom, what happened to your foot?
Salsa hinge Suhas shinka. Mom, what happened to your foot? Means, Mom, nini yak mo tamang khasa.
"Oh, while working I slipped and fell. That's why it is little swollen."
Oh, ang samung klai puru klai mani. Amon bagino kisi sharobon kanata.
Come sit here, Mom. I will massage your foot.
Phaidi ora suk phaidi mom. Nini yak mo no ang mihim riwana.
"No, son, you continue your work."
Come on, Mom.
No son, you continue your work means ihi shazla nang nini samung se khaigra di pro ke bin shazla te shapiuka. Come on mom means khaigra na ba ama.
Saying this, Suhas put oil and massaged his mother's foot.
Amte hini shawai Suhas bini mani yakmo thokfuloi massage khairika haikaba malis khairika.
The next day, Asha and Vishwanath went to work as usual.
Amoni te ni shalo hngenge Asha bai Vishwanath borok salbrum no nokholai ma haiteno samung tangla nen bagai borok lamri laika.
At noon, under the hot sun, Vishwanath was carrying a bag of cement upstairs when he felt dizzy.
At noon means dibor ni jorao under the hot sun satung chiring chiring tungma ni jorao. Vishwanath was carrying a bag of cement upstairs. Vishwanath kaisa cement bosta no siri tui sakao kai thang tongmani. When he felt dizzy, ajaronobo asam sa bokor minjaka.
He fell from the 5th floor. Blood started coming from his head. Seeing this, people ran to help him.
He fell from the 5th floor. Bo washabai no pas talani klaifega. Blood started coming from his head. Bini bokorok ni thui bo yornan changka. Ekaba thui bo yori tongka. Seeing this, abononogui people ran to help him. Bororok khapromui phaibeka.
Asha also came to see what happened. Seeing Vishwanath unconscious, she started crying loudly.
Asha also came to see what happened. Asha bo tamung khanai nainani phaka. Seeing Vishwanath unconscious, Vishwanath no bo lengjak nugui. She started crying loudly. Bo chirikhogi kapka. Loudly means chirikhogi. Unconscious ngai lengjak.
Soon, Vishwanath was admitted to a government hospital. The doctor said Vishwanath was dead.
Dakti no Bishonat no kaisa government hospital admitted khajaka. Tei doctor shaka Bishonat thui thangka.
Hearing this, Asha fainted. Her neighbor Sushma was also with her. She helped her stand up and took her home.
Abo haihin khanawai Asha belai kheno khabang kirjaka. Bini no gana tongnai Sushma bo bini logiono. Bobo no basarikha te naikolai nogo tu bui phaika.
10 days passed after Vishwanath's death, and then Asha to Sushma.
Bishonat thimani 10 days ni yagulo Asha Sushma ni ora thangka.
What should I do now? How will I take care of children? You have to be the support for your children. You will have to earn for them, Asha.
What should I do now means ang tabuk tamo sikhainai. How will I take care of children? O chere rokna ang tabuk bahai ke se naikol nai. You have to give support to your children. Nangni ni chere rokna support khainang nai. You have to earn money for them, Asha. Nang boni bagai sirang pusharok ajina nang nai, Asha.
Yes, Sushma, you are right. I must stand strong for my children.
Yes, Sushma, you are right means in Sushma nang thik no shaka. I must stand strong for my children. Ang ani chere rokni bagai se grak khebe jana nang nai.
Saying this, Asha wiped her tears and started going to work from the next day.
Saying this, Asha wiped her tears. Hine samani mane nongka. O kok satutino Asha bini mokoli muktino huinaka. Mokoli mukti hinge tears huinaka hima hinge wiped. And started going to work from the next day. Day 10 dinisimike bo samungbo tangnani jengka.
Asha now worked day and night. She did labor work during the day, and at night she would do some sewing and embroidery work at home to earn a little extra money.
Asha now worked day and night means tabukai Asha hopung sapung samungklai. She did labor work during the day mane bo shalo hngangke labor ni samungklayo. And at night she would do some sewing and embroidery work at home to earn a little extra money means bohoro hngangke eri roksimija subo yakbara rang ajinani bagai.
After some days, Raju went to the city for his studies.
After some days means salkishisha jorani ulo. Raju went to the city for his studies means bo bini rungsrungnani bagai city wo thangka haikaba auli wo thangka.
In the same village, Vishwanath had a friend named Shankar.
A kamiwono Shankar bumungoi Bishonat ni korksha bayap tongmani.
Shankar used to often visit the city where Raju studied for work.
Shankar uram no city wo visit khainani thango. Je jaga Raju khe porinani bagai thango.
Seeing this one day, Asha to Shankar.
Bono thangmaro nugoi Asha salcha Shankar ni aro thangka.
I have some work with you.
Yes, tell me, sister. What work?
I have some work with you means ang nung bai samung kisa tongo. Yes, tell me, sister. What work means in shadibuku tamo samung.
You are going to another village. Please give Raju this 5,000 rupees.
You are going to another place. Nung to kamini fataro thangi tongo. Please give Raju this 5,000 rupees. Or 5,000 rang no. Raju ni yago kisa yafari rijade.
Oh, give it here, sister. I will give the money to Raju.
Thank you, Bhai Sahab.
Oh, give it here, sister. I will give the money to Raju. Oh, hori yakon boku. Ang obo Raju ni yago yafari riyana. Thank you, Bhai Sahab. Hambai taku.
Saying this, Asha gave 5,000 rupees to Shankar. He gave the money to Raju.
Aboy ni shawino Asha 5,000 rang Shankar no yapari rika. Bohunke Raju no yapari rika.
This went on for a few months, where Asha kept giving money to Shankar and Shankar passed it to Raju.
Abo haike no kabang matal lai thangka. Asha hingke Shankar ni yago rang yapari ribo tei Shankar hingke Raju ni yago.
But after some time, Shankar became greedy. He kept some money from the amount Asha gave and gave the rest to Raju.
But after some time, Shankar became greedy. Piaba jora kishishan ulo hingke Shankar lubi ingi thango. He kept some money from the amount Asha gave and gave the rest to Raju. Asha bono rang rohamarokno bo nije kishisha narge te bad baki no se Raju ni thane yapare riyo.
Raju to Shankar.
Uncle, did mom only send this much money? Yes, Raju. Your mother did not go to work for some days. That's why she sent this amount only.
Raju to Shankar. Raju Shankar ne aro thanka. Uncle, did mom only send this much money? Means, Uncle, ma jotoi ashuk de rang rohor. Yes, Raju. Your mother didn't go to work for some days. Nini ma o shalni shaltam samungo thanglia. That's why she sent this amount only. Amoni bagino bo jotoi umshukno rang rohoru.
Okay, uncle, thank you.
Okay, uncle, thank you. Akon uncle, hambai.
Raju managed to live with that money. During Diwali holidays, when Raju came home, he found out the whole truth.
Raju managed to live with that money means Raju amsuk rang by nobo manage kai tongi faika. During Diwali holidays, when Raju came home, he found out the whole truth. Raju jefuru Diwali ni holidays manai nogo phayo apru hungake je kubui ko jotno bo saiman thamaiga.
He asked his mother,
Mom, how much money do you send me each month?
He asked his mother, Bobin Manashanka, Mom, how much money did you send me each month? Ama, tal brum brum ani bagai rang busuk ke rohor.
I send you 5,000 rupees every month. What's wrong?
I sent you 5,000 rupees every month means Ang tonono tal brum no 5,000 rang rohoro. What's wrong? Tamo mungsa sude.
But mom, Shankar uncle gave me 5,000 rupees only for the first 2 months. Then he started giving only 3,000 rupees.
Piaba ma, Shankar uncle ano puila mas tani jarati 5,000 ke norika. Haifano ulokai boano 3,000 ke mang siri blasa.
But I gave him 5,000 rupees every month, so Shankar took that money himself.
But I gave him 5,000 rupees every month means Piaba ang to bono tal burum no 5,000 rang rohoro. So Shankar took that money himself. Manenka hinke arang rok Shankar chinahar kana.
Yes, mom. These people take advantage of your innocence.
Let's go and ask him right now.
Bin sadra saka. Yes, mom. These people take advantage of your innocence. Ama oboro rok nung sudrang ke toma bagino. Abo hai khai tuk jaru. Bin ma shapiuka. Let's go and ask him right now. Himde akon tabuk no thangai bonosungi laigrana.
Saying this, Asha and Raju went to Shankar. Seeing them, Shankar said,
Come, sister. What makes you come here?
Saying this, Asha and Raju went to Shankar. Means Amti hinish hawai Asha by Raju Shankar nearo thanglaiga. Seeing them, Shankar said, Borg no nugui Shankar shaka. Come sister, Paide buku. What makes you come here? Norok tamoni bage phalemanisa.
Bhai Sahab, I trusted you so much and gave you money. And you used it yourself? I want my money back.
Taku, angkai phale no, nono poitu khlaye rang rog rohoro. Piaba nangkai o rang no sinahashu. I want my money back. Means, ano anirang kipiliri.
I only gave Raju as much as you gave me. I helped you and you are blaming me?
Ang to nung je rohama asuno rajono rikha. Ang no rono subaka. Teise ano no mazra bero no.
Hearing this, Raju got very angry and he said to his mother,
Mom, don't talk to him. Let's go home now.
Saying this, Raju took his mother home.
Hearing this, Raju got very angry. Means, abuno khunawoi Raju belai kheno joli jaka. And he said to his mother, Tei bo bini mano saka. Mom, don't talk to him. Let's go home now. Ama bobe kokshi tasade. Tabuk nogosi himgrari. Saying this, Raju took his mother home. Amti hini shaboi Raju bin amano nogo tui pheke.
After some time, Raju worked hard and became a great engineer, and Suhas became a police inspector.
Aboni kabang masaling ulo hingganke Raju belai kosto klaimani bisingtui bo koroksa kotor engineer engka tei Suhas hingge koroksa police inspector engka.
Asha to them, "You both fulfilled my and your father's dream. I am very proud of you."
Asha to them, Asha borno saka, you both fulfilled my and your father's dream. Noro korok nino ani te nufani imangno ko woi klai funoka. I'm very proud of you. Ang norok ni bagay belai keno kungchogo.
Suhas and Raju hugged their mother.
Suhas by Raju koroksa te koroksano kabag lekha.
Shankar used to cheat many people in the village. Seeing this, one day Suhas put him in jail.
Shankar used to cheat many people in the village, means Shankar kamini kabang ma borokno no phemlogi tong. Seeing this, one day Suhas put him in jail. Apuno nugoi salsa hingge Suhas bono alongo choboi dikha.
And says,
So, Shankar uncle, stop cheating people, or you will have to spend your life here.
Te saka hingge Shankar uncle borokno tei ja phimloksidi. Yakhe ning thiya sagno orosi matong sinai.
Suhas, I beg you, forgive me, son. I will return everyone's money. That would be best for you.
Suhas, I beg you means Suhas, agnin thani bikhasanjao. Forgive me, son. Nagarijadiano. I will return everyone's money. Ang jotoni rangno kipili ipiwana. That would be best for you means nen bage amono sakugana.
Saying this, Shankar left and returned all the money that he had taken.
Amte hini shawai Shankar thangpaika. Te boze rangna hamaro jottono no kipili ibaika.
Now, Asha lives happily with her children. A poor laborer mother can also give her children a good education and life. Her hard work finally paid off.
Now, Asa lives happily with her children means Tawuk nge Asa bini besarok bai kaham kurang kena tonglayo. A poor laborer mother can also give her children a good education and life means Koroksha kurui nukhungni buma ngibo samung tangi chana ngibo bo besarok no kaham education te boni langmano naitotok kerimangka in manikop. Her hard work finally paid off means bini kolomte hiklai mani buthai paithago bo manka. Inge kichingsho paithago okaishako no shanam songo singo story ni bisingte English misrung dia. Sing English ni loglogi se moral education bo mano. Inge angkhaklayo obohayo story ni bisingte sing tebo easy klai English srang mano. Inge o chikonsa lesson nong bage bahai zakanaro comment klai sadi norok tomung no obohayo story ni bisingte no srang namu songo next lesson bang obohayo story katal tubui tesha phai piranai hambai.